ॐ यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा विषय परिच्छेद। इन तत्वमस्यादि वाक्य की विरोध was shown. विरोध was shown by which प्रमाण?
श्रुति प्रमाण.
And which other?
प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाण.
प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाण. And
अनुमान
प्रमाण. अनुमान प्रमाण. What was the हेतु?
किंचित नियत्व सर्वज्ञत्व विरुद्ध धर्माश्रयत्वादि.
किंचित ज्ञत्व सर्वज्ञत्व विरुद्ध धर्म आश्रयत्वम. This was one. Then other also we can use as हेतु. प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाण. प्रत्यक्ष what is the विरोध? नाहम ईश्वर means Ishvara is asamsari, but I am samsari. So how can I be Ishvara? This is the pratyaksha virodha. In me I see kartritva bhoktritva. Ishvara doesn't have kartritva bhoktritva. Ishvara doesn't get affected by what happens in his life or in anyone's life. I get affected. So samsaritvam is in me and I don't have samarthya like Ishvara. This is pratyaksha. Shruti virodha was given dvasuparna sayuja sakhaya. Smriti virodha was shown dvavimau purushau loke ityadi. Okay, what was the answer given?
The pratyaksha pramana is negated by shruti pramana. Like shruti, the shruti is negating the rajat.
So shukti is negating rajat. That means that jnanam which comes later is pramanam. That jnanam which comes earlier is apramanam. In this way it was. In Moolam it was given bheda pratyakshasya sambhavita karana doshasya asambhavita dosha vedajanya jnanena badhyamana. Tvat bheda pratyaksha sambhavita karana dosha. Pratyaksha jnanam has sambhavita karana dosha. So sambhavita karana dosho yasya pratyakshasya bheda pratyakshasya. Veda pratyaksha has sambhavita karana dosha. Whereas Veda jnanam is asambhavita dosha. Veda janya shruti jnanam, advaita jnanam, abheda jnanam. So Bheda pratyaksha gets negated by अभेद ज्ञान. In Tika we saw on page number 205. संभाविताः करणानाम् इंद्रियाणाम् अपाटवत्वादयो दोषा यस्मिन् तत्तथा तस्य. And then Purvapakshi said Jyeshtha Pramana should not be negated by other Pramana. So Siddhanti said Iyam Shukti is Kanishtha Pramana and Idam Rajatam is Jyeshtha. But that Jyeshtha Jnanam gets Badita by Kanishtha Iyam Shukti Jnanam. Kaniyasa is Tritiya. अन्यथा तद उत्पत्ति असंभवात. Anyatha Shukti Jnana Utpatti will never happen. But it does happen. Therefore, Shukti Jnanam, even though which comes later, it is Kanishtha Jnanam. It has the ability to do Bada of Jyeshtha Pratyaksha Jnanam. Chandradi further. Chandradi Parimana Grahi Shastra Badha Pattescha iti Ashayana Aha. Chandradi Parimana Grahi Shastra. Chandra Parimana Grahi Shastra is Jyotish Shastra. Jyotish Shastra says Chandra Parimana is some 1,000 kilometers. And Pratyakshataha Chandra looks only this much. The distance between the Angushta and Tarjani. So, iti ashayana aha shastra badha patte. But otherwise, if you give importance to only pratyaksha, you think pratyaksha will do badha of shruti, because pratyaksha is jyeshtha pramana, then what will happen? See moolam. Anyatha chandragata अधिक परिमाण ग्राही ज्योति शास्त्रस्य चंद्र प्रादेश ग्राही प्रत्यक्षेण बाधापत्ते है. I think there is बांधापत्ते है. Just make it बाधापत्ते. चंद्रगत अधिक परिमाण ग्राही is ज्योतिष शास्त्र. And Chandra Pradesha Grahi is Pratyaksha. This is called Pradesha. The distance between the Angushta and Tarjani, this much. So, Pradesha Grahi Pratyakshana, Badha will happen, but we don't accept that. See in Tika. Anyatha iti. Nacha Upajivya Virodha. So that topic is, means that sentence is explained. Now, Purvapakshi will say, Upajivya Virodha. This Upajivya Virodha in Advaita Siddhi, this topic is going on right now. Upajivya Pramana. Which one is Upajivya Pramana? Pratyaksha is Upajivya Pramana. Upajivya Pramana Virodha means that Pramana which gave the support, Ashraya, to Shruti. That Shruti will do Bada of Pratyaksha Upajivya itself. That is not acceptable. You see, there is no Upajivya Virodha. Why? धर्म भेद बोधक प्रत्यक्षस्य धर्मी अभेद ज्ञानम प्रति अनुपजीव्यत्वात् इति आशयना. धर्म भेद बोधक Pratyaksha. First of all, tell me what is the answer given in Advaita Siddhi for this objection? We have seen this.
That which comes later need not necessarily mean it has it is valid.
That is, no, that topic is over. This is only Upajivya. In the last two sessions, we saw this.
Tatvikatah pratyaksha is not accepted. Only for vyavahara aspect, pratyaksha is, there is no dispute.
Tatvik amsha.
Yes.
Pratyaksha's Tatvik amsha is being negated. Vyavaharik amsha is used. So, what we are negating is that Pratyaksha is not Paramarthika. But we are using the Vyavaharik aspect of Pratyaksha, and that we don't deny. Means we don't say Pratyaksha doesn't have Vyavaharika Pramanyam. We reject Paramarthikatva. Those who are attending Advaita Siddhi, they should grasp these subtle things. And Vedanta Paribhasha has a lot of ideas from the Brihad Granthas also. So, good grounding of this will clarify the doubts from Advaita Siddhi or Chitsukhi. So, what is the answer? See, if Pratyaksha says Jagat is Satyam, Pratyaksha Pramana's Paramarthikatva is being negated. Pratyaksha Pramanasya Vyavaharikatva aspect is not negated. And what is Upajivya is not the Paramarthikatva of Pratyaksha. What is Upajivya is the Vyavaharikatva. Vyavaharikatva we are not negating. So if somebody says you are using Pratyaksha and then if you remove Pratyaksha, you negate Pratyaksha, then where will Shruti stand? Because you are using Pratyaksha to stand to, so Shruti requires Pratyaksha. So we say Shruti doesn't require Paramarthika Pratyaksha. Shruti requires only Vyavaharik aspect of Pratyaksha, and Shruti negates Paramarthika aspect of Pratyaksha. So it will work out. This is the answer given. Now here you see what is the answer. Dharma bheda bodhaka pratyakshasya dharmi abheda jnanam prati anupajivyatvat. Dharma bheda bodhaka pratyaksha. So pratyaksha is dharma bheda. Dharma difference in the dharma. Dharma bheda bodhaka is pratyaksha. That jnanam for dharmi abheda. Dharmi abheda jnanam prati anupajivyatvat. Dharmi abheda jnanam is given by Shruti. Dharmi means Jiva and Ishvara. They are the two dharmis. Between these two, where is the abheda? When we say Jiva Ishvara abheda, means what we say is Jiva Chaitanya and Ishvara Chaitanya abheda. So Chaitanya is the dharmi. That Chaitanya dharmi has Jivatva dharma, Ishwaratva dharma. From Jivatva dharma and Ishwaratva dharma standpoint, the dharma has bheda. But the dharmi Chaitanya is one. Jivatva dharma wala Chaitanya, Ishwaratva dharma wala Chaitanya. Chaitanya is one. So dharmi abheda, dharma bheda. So dharma bheda bodhaka pratyaksha, which says jivatva, ishwaratva are different, sarvajnatva, alpajnatva are different, samsaritva, they are all dharmas. Dharma bheda jnanam we use, and adharmi bheda jnanam is what is said by Shruti. So adharmi bheda jnanam prati dharma bheda jnanam is not upajivya, is anupajivya. So I am hoping this one line is clear. Iti ashayanaha pakarakte ghate raktoyam na shyama iti vat सविशेषणे ही इति न्यायेन जीव पर भेद ग्राही प्रत्यक्षस्य विशेषणीभूत धर्म भेद विषयत्वाच्च पाकरक्ते घटे घट which was shyama, dark earlier, now it is heated. Pakaja guna parivartanam, now it has become rakta, red. So pakarakte ghate raktoyam ghataha na shyama. This ghata is now rakta, not shyama. So raktatva, shyamatva, they are dharma. Ghata is dharmi. Dharmi is one. Shyamo ghataha, rakto ghataha, two different dharmas of the same dharmi. Raktoyam na shyamaha iti vat savisheshane hi iti nyayana. So this is Brahma Sutra. सविशेषणे ही विधि निषेधौ विशेषणम उपसंक्रामतः सति विशेष्य बाधे. I think this is Brahma Sutra, but otherwise also just understand this nyaya here. Savisheshane hi vidhi nishedhau visheshanam upasankramataha. When a vastu is savishesha, then the visheshanas can change. Visheshana doesn't have to remain the same. So if there is a vishaya in tippani, savisheshana hi vidhi nishedhau. In that vidhi and nishedha, a vastu which has visheshanas, then vidhi and nishedha, they apply to a vishesha which is along with visheshana, means vishishta. And in that, visheshana badha can happen. So vidhi and nishedha, they apply for the visheshanas, not for vishesha. So in this drishtanta, when he says raktoyam na shyamaha, so ayam raktaha is a vidhanam, na shyama is nishedha. They belong to visheshana only. यथा रक्त घटे विद्यमाने श्याम घटो नास्ति इति घट रूपे विशेष्ये निषेधस्य बाधे विशेषणीभूत श्याम गुण मात्र परत्वम निषेधस्य तद्वद इत्यर्थः. When रक्त घट is there, श्याम घट is not there. रक्त घटे विद्यमाने श्याम घटो नास्ति इति घट रूपे विशेष्ये, घट रूप विशेष्ये निषेधस्य बाधे, the श्याम घट नास्ति when you say विशेष्य बाधे, विशेष घट रूपे घट इज विशेष्य, घट रूपे विशेष्य निषेधस्य बाधे विशेषणीभूत श्याम गुण मात्र परत्वम निषेधस्य. The nishedha of only shyama guna is said. Means what is not there is ghata is still the same. Only shyama guna vishishta ghata is not there. But rakta guna vishishta ghata is there. So nishedha is only visheshani bhuta shyama guna matra paratvam. Not for the entire vastu. In the same way, Chaitanya is pradhanam, Jivatva dharma vishishta Chaitanya is not there. Chaitanya is there. Or you say asamsari dharma vishishta Chaitanya is there. Samsari to vishishta, sansaritva dharma vishishta Chaitanya is not there. इति न्यायेन जीव पर भेद ग्राही प्रत्यक्षस्य विशेषणी भूत धर्म भेद विषयत्वाच्च. So that pratyaksha which does jivatma paramatma bheda grahanam, jiva para bheda grahi pratyaksha, that pratyakshasya visheshani bhuta dharma bheda vishayatvat. Visheshani bhuta dharma bheda. Dharma, which is the visheshanam, in that there is bheda. Pratyaksha will show bheda in that. But vishesha amsha is same. But in this amsha, there is a problem, means this kind of explanation. Chaitanya is really not vishishta with jivatva dharma or ishwaratva dharma. Because we don't say Chaitanya is vishishta. Chaitanya is upahita. Then only upadhi sambandha is never there. What is the lakshana for visheshanam? And what is the lakshana for upadhi? Karya अन्वयित्वे सति विद्यमाने सति व्यावर्तकत्वम. This is the lakshana for
Karya anvayatve sati is for vishesha.
it's for visheshan. Karya अन्वयित्वे सति विद्यमाने सति व्यावर्तकत्वम. And karya ananvayitve sati vidyamane sati व्यावर्तकत्वम
Upalakshana. Adi.
उपाधि है लक्षण. उपाधि. So if we say it is Visheshana, it will become Karya Anvayi. So then Jivatva Lakshana will become Anvita in Chaitanya. Ishwaratva Lakshana will become Anvita in Chaitanya. So Drishtanta, you can use Visheshana, Vishesha. Darshtanta is where you use Upadhi, or best is Drishtanta also you use like Neela, Pata, Upahita, Spatika. Rakta, Pata, Upahita, Spatika. So Neelatva, Raktatva you keep. But instead of Vishishta Ghata, you use Spatika, where the dharma is only appearing. It is not really part of it. So Drishtanta, Darshtanta, Samya also will be there, and Vedanta, Siddhanta, compromise will not be there at all. If you want, you make a note there for yourself. तथा च एवं भूत ज्ञाने सति अपि धर्मी भेदम आदाय सोयम घट इति ज्ञानम यथा अविरुद्धम तद्वन् नाहम ईश्वर इति ज्ञानांतरम अहम ब्रह्म इति ज्ञानम इत्यर्थः. So he says that तथा च एवं भूत ज्ञाने, such kind of jnanam, even if it is there, jnane sati api dharmi abhedam adaya, when between dharmi the ghata abheda is there, and therefore the jnanam is soyam ghataha. Soyam ghataha, what is this jnanam called? Pratyabhijna. Soyam ghataha is pratyabhijna. Pratyabhijnanam. Whatever is the tatkala, etatkala, vishishta vastu that you eliminate. Like that, iti jnanam yatha aviruddham, tadvat, in the same way, aham ishvara iti jnana anantaram, naham ishvara iti jnana anantaram. First he says, no, I am not Ishvara, but aham Brahma. So that Brahma is samanam in Jiva as well as in Ishvara. So he keeps that dharma dharmi idea. Only this similarity is only in this pratyabhijna. As Jiva also I am Brahma, as Ishvara also I am Brahma. This much only is the common part. यतः सर्व प्रमाण उपजीव्यस्य ज्येष्ठस्य प्रत्यक्षस्य बाध्यत्वात् भेदे अप्रमाणता अतएव अनुमानस्यापि इत्याह. यतः सर्व प्रमाण उपजीव्य ज्येष्ठ is pratyaksha. All pramanas, they use the Jyeshta Pramana Pratyaksha for their functioning. Pratyaksha gets negated by Shruti, Badhyatvat, and therefore Bheda Jnanam does not have Pramanyam, Bhede Apramanata. Atah eva Anumanasyapi, and therefore Anumanam also, what Purva Pakshi said, that Anumanam can also become Apramana. Bheda Pratipadaka Anumana Pramana also will become Apramana. Ata eva na Anumanam api Pramanam, and therefore Anumanam is also not Pramanam. What is the Anumanam? Kinchijñatva, Sarvajñatva ityadi. Why? Agama Badhat. Meru Pashanam Pashanmayatva Anumanavat. Somebody will do Anumanam. Meru Parvata is Pashanamaya. So Pashanmayatva in Meru, if somebody does such Anumanam, that Anumana is Badhita by Agama Shastra. Because Meru is Suvarnamaya, not Pashanamaya. According to Shastra. Tika. Agamena Tattvamasyaadina Badhat. By Agama Pramana, Anumana Pramana will get Badhita. How Meruhu Pashanamaya Parvatatvat Vindhyadivat Ityadi Anumanam Yatha Sarvataha Sauvarnaha Kulagiri Rajo Meruhu Ityadi Agamena Badhitam Tadvad Ityartha. Meruhu Pashanamaya. Meru is Pashanamaya. Parvatatvad, because it is Parvata. Like Vindhyadi Parvat. Vindhyadi Parvat is Parvata and has Pashanmayatvam. Meru Parvat also, because it is Parvata, it will have Pashanmayatvam. Somebody will do this siddhi. Such Anumanam will get negated by Shastra. Shastra says, Sarvataha Sauvarnaha Kulagiri Rajo Meruhu. Meru is Sarvataha Swarna. It is gold all over. So by such Agama Pramana, it is Badhita. So Anumana Badha is shown. Now Agama Virodha, somebody said, Dva Suparna Sayuja Sakhaya, this Shruti will do Badha of Tattvamasi. So that is also not true. Napi Agamantara Virodha. Agamantara, how will you do Samasa Vigraha?
Anya Agamo Agamandala.
Anya Agamo Agamantara. Tika. Bhedasya pratyakshadi pramanair jnatatvat shastrasya va अज्ञात ज्ञापकत्वात् भेद बाधागमस्य तत्र तात्पर्या भावेन अतत्परत्वात् तत्पर अभेदवादी आगमात् दौर्बल्यात् इत्याह. भेदस्य प्रत्यक्षादि प्रमाणैः ज्ञातत्वात्. भेद is known through प्रत्यक्षादि प्रमाण. भेदस्य प्रत्यक्षादि प्रमाणे ज्ञातत्वात्. शास्त्रस्य वा अज्ञात ज्ञापकत्वात्, and shastra is अज्ञात ज्ञापक. So if pratyaksha pramana has already revealed bheda, shastra will tell you something which is not known otherwise. It is ajnata jnapaka. So bhed badha agamasya, bhed badha आगमस्य तत्र तात्पर्य अभावेन अतत्परत्वात् तत्पर अतत्परत्वात् तत्पर अभेदवादी आगम. This should be not bhedabad, it should be bhedavadi. Bhedavadi agamasya. If you, I can check the other reading. Bhedavadi agama and abhedavadi agama, because now we are doing comparison between agama and agama. So bhedavadi agama and abhedavadi agama. Between these, abhedavadi agama is what is going to do badha of bhedavadi agama. भेदवादी भेदवाद्यागमस्य, not भेदबाधागमस्य, भेदवाद्या. It is not very clear, so just make it clear. भेदवाद्यागमस्य, dear. Bhedavadi agama is which one?
प्रत्यक्ष.
भेदवादी agama. Dva suparna. Question is, Bhedavadi agama is what? Agama means you have to look for agama, not pratyaksha. Bhedavadi agama is Dva suparna sayuja sakhaya. And Abhedavadi agama is Tattvamasi, Ayamatma Brahma. So, Bhedavadi agama is only doing pratyaksha pramana anuvada. And Abhedavadi agama is where there is tatparya. In Bhedavadi agama, there is no tatparya. Bhedavadi agamasya tatra tatparya abhavena. Because there is no tatparya in it, tatparya abhavena. Atatparatvat. So Dva suparna, rutam pibantau sukritasya loke, such shrutis are, there is no tatparya in them. They are only anuvadaka shruti. Anuvada of pratyaksha bheda. Tatparya abhavena, they are atatpara vakya, atatparatvat. And then tatpara is tatpara abhedavadi agamat, tatpara abhedavadi. There where there is tatparyam, that vakya is called tatpara vakya, tatpara shruti vakya. Tatpara shruti vakya is abhedavadi, abheda pratipadaka. That agama is prabala. So daurbalyam will get badhita by prabala pramana. So if shruti is shown against shruti, then you have to do balabala vichara. So tatpara in bhash, in mulam, tatpara tatpara vakyayoho तत्परवाक्यस्य बलवत्वेन लोकसिद्ध भेदानुवादी द्वा सुपर्णादि वाक्यापेक्षया उपक्रमोपसंहारादि अवगत अद्वैत तात्पर्य विशिष्टस्य तत्त्वमस्यादि वाक्यस्य प्रबलत्वात्. Tatpara and atatpara vakya, if there are two, tatpara atatpara vakyayoho, tatpara vakyasya balavatvena, tatpara vakya is balavatvena, loka siddha bhed anuvadi and dvaita pratipadaka, bhed pratipadaka is loka siddha bhed anuvadi vakya. It is only doing anuvada. Anuvadi, dva suparnadi vakya apekshaya, upakrama upasamharadi avagata advaita tatparya विशिष्टस्य तत्त्वमस्यादि वाक्यस्य प्रबलत्वात्. तत्त्वमस्यादि वाक्य is प्रबल. Why? Because it is advaita tatparya vishishta vakya. Means there is advaita tatparyam in that vakya. How did you establish? उपक्रम उपसंहारादि अवगत थ्रू दी षड्विध लिंग न्याय अद्वैत तात्पर्य विशिष्ट तत्वमस्यादि वाक्य इज प्रबल. प्रबल वाक्य विल डू दुर्बल वाक्यस्य निषेध. न च अर्थापत्ति विरोध. नाउ अर्थापत्ति विरोध is also not there. We'll see little bit. इत्याह न च जीव परैक्ये विरुद्ध धर्म आश्रयत्व अनुपपत्ति. If you say जीवात्मा परमात्मा ऐक्य, then viruddha dharma ashraya will be there. In Jivatma and Paramatma, dharmas are virodhi. Same ashraya will have Jivatva and Ishwaratva both. So Siddhanti says, no, there is no virodha. Why? Aupadhika viruddha dharma ashrayatvena anyatha siddhatvat ityaha. Because of aupadhika dharma ashraya, the virodha is anyatha siddha. Viruddha dharma will become anyatha siddha. How? Jalam is shitam also swabhavikam. But if Ushna, Agni, Upadhi is there, then it will have Aushnyam. Shitasyaiva jalasya aupadhika aushnya ashrayatvavat swabhavato nirgunasyaiva jivasya antakarnadi upadhika kartritwadi ashrayatva pratibhasa upapattehe. So here he, instead of saying Jiva Ishvara, he says Jiva Brahma Aikya. So Jiva is having kartritva bhoktritva, Brahma is akarta abhokta. Kartritva bhoktritva is because of the antakarana upadhi. Otherwise that Jiva is nirguna. So the sadhana here is the ability, to the extent I have the ability to stay away from the upadhi. To that extent, Jiva Brahma Aikya is possible for me. If I identify with upadhi, if I get carried away by the upadhi, and I swing in the moods because of these upadhis, then Jiva Brahma Aikya is not possible for me. So Kartritvadi Ashraya is in the Antakarana Upadhi, and therefore there is Pratibhasa of that in Chaitanya. Pratibhasa Upapatte. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.